Hello beautiful people, welcome to today's video. So today I'll be giving you an empty house tour and I'll be showing you three options. So the first one that we were checking out was a one-bedroom apartment, and we did not go for this option because we had three options, but we did not go for the first option because the one-bedroom house, the sitting room was smaller than the other houses. But it wasn't that small because it's a little bit bigger than the previous house we were in. But then we were like, we need a bigger sitting room so that we can stay here for longer. And then when we go to the other rooms, because from the sitting room there's a single door that connects the other rooms. So when you enter through that door, you have like other four doors, which is the balcony, the toilet, the bathroom, the kitchen, and the bedroom. And then the other door is where you go to the sitting room and then you go outside. So we start with the kitchen. So the thing about the one-bedroom house is that the kitchen was bigger than all the other houses. I don't understand why nowadays, like, most landlords usually go for this option. Like, the one-bedroom houses, the kitchen are bigger than the two-bedroom houses. I don't understand, but that is something that I've been seeing a lot while we've been doing this house hunting thing. Like, even where we were staying previously, we were staying in a one-bedroom house and our kitchen was bigger than all the two-bedroom houses. I don't understand that. So the good thing about this one-bedroom house was the kitchen. So if the kitchen is the thing for you, I think this will be a better option because you have enough space. Though it's not as big, but then it has enough space to do every other thing. There's water. I usually check for water. You check if everything is okay, the cabinets, the drawers. So I usually like these ones that you pull so that you can have you can place your spoons, your ingredients, all and all. But then there's enough storage because down here you can put like all the extra things. Up there you can, like, there's enough storage. And then the other room was the bedroom. So the bedroom is big enough, like it can fit a 6x6 bed. That way the 6x6 bed, there won't be enough space to come from both the sides, but then it can fit even a 6x6 bed. The cabinets are big enough. You can place everything you want, like, because you have both sides, you can have his and hers. And then the drawers, I actually prefer drawers, especially when you want to put the other small things like socks and your panties and bras and all the things. So you have drawers, and then you can see, so on this other side it doesn't have drawers, but then it's enough space. And then that is the bathroom. Everything just a normal bathroom. So that is it. Yeah, it's spacious enough to do what you gotta do. And then now this is the toilet. There it is, the toilet. And then I love the fact that it has this basin to wash your hands on the inside, because as I will show you in the other houses, you'll find that it is placed in the outside. So again, as I told you, it's according to your own preference. So this one-bedroom house was going for 17,000 per month. So you see now the other door connects to the sitting room, and then that's how you go outside. So it's pretty good enough for that price. Is a two-bedroom house. As I told you, the two-bedroom house for this one has a really massive sitting room. Like, you can have everything. You have your dining table, you can move around the seats, you can have a really enough space if that is what you like. And then next we have a kitchen. Just right next to it we have a kitchen, and it's an kind of an open kitchen. But then as you can see, it's way smaller than the one-bedroom kitchen. I don't know why they do this. Like, I don't understand. Like, I thought a two-bedroom house should have the bigger kitchen, but anyways, after that you have other doors just like facing the sitting room. We have the two-bedroom doors. So I'll start with the master one. So the master bedroom, it's en suite. So this is the washroom for the master bedroom. And so the bathroom is really slim, in that when you open the door, it gets stuck in that sink. Like, it's like ni refu and slim. Like, I just don't get it, but that's it. But then everything is the same. The wardrobes are just the same. Even the bedroom sizes are the same. This is the second bedroom. As you can see, the wardrobes are just similar, two on both sides. The other side has drawers. So this is it. And then we have one washroom on the outside, because the other one bedroom house, the toilet and the bathroom was separated, but in this one it's only like all connected. The washroom and the bathroom are all connected, and the door is on in the, when you're in the sitting room, you see the door on the bathroom and of the two bedrooms. And this one goes for 25,000, and all the bedroom, this one and the one that I'll be showing you next, go for 25,000 per month. So as you can see, the sink is in the sitting room, because the other one, the one bedroom house, the sink was in the bathroom. And now this is our option 3. As you can see, it's also a 2-bedroom house going for the same price, but now the difference is that the sitting room is not as big, but then you'll find there are other things that are way bigger in this house. That is why I'm telling you, it all depends with your preference. So as you can see here, the sitting room is not as big, but if you have just that kind of a minimalism kind of thing, you can just have your seats and a small dining table, like 2 seats, and then it can just be okay for you. As you can see, the kitchen is a little bit bigger than the other house. The design of the open space is also still the same. And yeah, so when you get in through that door in the kitchen, you'll find a different design, because you can see right here there's a space for placing the cooker, which is not in the other kitchen, because the other one in the middle there was a sink, and then the counter space wasn't as big, because you see this one is separated and you have a space where you can place like your other appliances, which is away from the sink, so water cannot get to them. That is something that was nice with this one. The drawers are the same, but I find the other cabinets on the upper side are more than the other house. But then even in this space right here, you can place your dining, because the kitchen is way bigger. You can have a small table on that space, place your dining, then your cooker on that side, then your appliances up there, and it will really look nice. If you just don't have so many things, you can just, and then here beside the door you can have your fridge there. And then with this one, there's too much light, because the balcony is on the outside, so there's enough light. And although the view is not so good, but then the view is just good enough. Yeah, you see, so this is the arrangement. It's enough space for just placing your stuff. And then the other difference is the other one, the doors of the master bedroom, they were all, it was able to see them all in one space, but then in this one there's a certain corner. And then you can also see the bathroom and the toilet are separated in 2 different rooms. Like this is the toilet, and also the basin for the sink is on the outside, as you can see. But the toilet is still big. Even if it was in the inside, like it will still fit well. But then even right where it is, it just looks nice. So you can see the toilet and the bathroom are different, and the bathroom is way big. You can do your washing, your laundry, you can do everything in that bathroom, and it's big enough. And so this is the second bedroom, which is the kids' bedroom, if you want to call it that. And as you can see, it's just as big enough, and it's the same size as the other one. Even the wardrobes are the same size, 2 on both sides, and one side has drawers. So I was trying not to open all of them because they're just the same, but let me show you. Everything is just similar. So this is the one that doesn't have drawers, and it has enough shelves to place all your things. Then this is the one that has drawers, and the shelves are enough to place everything that you have, your clothing, your everything. The space is quite enough so that you don't have so many things lying around. Like, I love that about it, enough space. And as you can see, the master bedroom is like in a corner. So this right here, when you just get in, you have the washroom, and then that's when you get to the room, because the other one, you enter the room first, and then the washroom is on the other corner. But this, when you enter through the door, the first thing you meet is the washroom. And then what I like about this washroom is that it's wider, so even the door does not get stuck on the sink. It's wider enough, but then although it's not as long, but it's wide enough. Like, if you prefer a wider washroom, this is it for you, because the slimmer one, yes, you can fit and you can move around, like there's enough space, but then it's slim. Yeah. And then from there, this is the master bedroom, and it's as big enough. A 6x6 bed can fit with even a seat or something, like just as big enough. So when you see the other side, you have the wardrobes, just the same thing, the same designs. The the wardrobe on that side, you have the shelves, and then the other side you have the shelves and the drawers. You can do his and hers, and yeah, it's just good enough. So this was it for the 2-bedroom house. So we ended up going for the second option. This was a clip from my birthday, and I placed the clip here just to tell you that we'll be having a house tour. Once we're finished with everything, we'll be doing a house tour. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.